Sorry, there was a problem with your request popping up on Instagram. Well, let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix sorry there was a problem with your request popping up on Instagram. Now, if this problem pops up, it might be due to varieties of reasons. The first thing is your internet connection. Now, make sure that you are connected a stronger internet connection, and if not, try switching over your network. Try switching between your mobile data and your Wi-Fi, or try connecting to another Wi-Fi network. So this might solve your problem, but if it doesn't, head over to your settings. Now to do so, scroll down your notification bar, and on the top right corner of your screen, you'll find the settings icon. Tap on it and scroll down below and head over to your apps. And on apps, you can either scroll down and search, or you can simply search by searching on the search bar for Instagram. And once on Instagram, scroll down all the way below and you'll find the option stories. Now here, what you want to do is try clearing your data. Now make sure to back up your account, or make sure you have your account details to log in back again, because it will log you out since it is going to clear all your app data. Clear your data, tap on it and tap on delete, and it will clear your data. After this, what you want to do is try and open the Instagram app again and log into your ID. This fixes a lot of bugs and glitches. So yeah, this particularly can help you fix the issue that there was a problem with your request. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.